What's up, guys? We are back with another video and I am so excited because today we have a $950 mystery box straight from eBay. I have no idea what's inside. I know it's sneakers. I know it's between size 11 and 12. The theme for it was new releases, and besides that, I have no idea what's gonna happen. How are all you guys doing today though? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are enjoying your day wherever you may be while you're watching this. Thank you so much for clicking on it. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TomStefaniak. I will leave links in the description for that. And if you enjoy today's content, make sure to drop a comment and hit that like button. Now, this I bought around 3 days ago. It got here really quick. I purchased it when I was in New York this past week. It is from someone in Toronto. I don't want to give out their eBay username just because of what happened last time with us getting scammed. I'll see if this is good and then maybe I'll buy another one if I enjoy this. Only information that was given about this is he said new general release sneakers, but they were hype. So it's not going to be anything super limited, but it is going to be some popular shoes. I paid $950. It said I'm guaranteed to recoup my money. So I'm really excited to see what we get out of this box. I'll be 100% honest with you, even if I get like 850 back from this 950, I would be happy. After last time, anything back off of this box would be great. But if we could actually make our money back and maybe even turn a profit on this box, I'm gonna be really happy. Now, just so you guys don't get confused, everything that I mentioned is Canadian dollars. I do live in Canada, so these are not US prices, these are Canadian dollars. So the numbers will be slightly higher when I'm going over how much I can sell these for. I'm seeing very good things so far. Let's start off with this box right here. We have a size 12 pair of Yeezy 350s. I didn't see the colorway. Judging off new releases, I'd say maybe these are the butters, maybe these are the creams. Now this is a really good start. This means we're getting some money back already. Let's see what colorway these, oh yes. All right, so this is the newly released cream Yeezy 350s. I mean, they've released before, but the restock just happened, I think 3 weeks ago, maybe even a month ago by now. This is a great start to the mystery box. A pair of Yeezys, you cannot go wrong with these. I know these are super played out and everyone and their mom has a pair, except these still go for a decent amount of money, especially in Canada. They retail for $334 after tax, and I can easily sell them for around $370. So that's $370 of the $950. We only need $580 more, and there's 3 more pairs of shoes inside of that box. This is looking really good in terms of making our money back. I remember I bought these for $500 when they were like at the height of their popularity at like, I think SneakerCon Los Angeles. $500. That's absurd. Thankfully I sold them before the price went down, and I got my money back and I was able to move them on to someone else that wanted them. And here they are again, size 12. So this is sort of my size. I prefer like a size 13 in 350 V2s just because they do fit a little bit tight and I have a weird ass foot. Really good start to the box. Alright, let's get in here and pull out the Adidas box. Now Adidas has been slipping a little bit and hasn't really been releasing anything that interesting outside of the Yeezys. This year, size 11 crazy BYW. Okay, bit of a step backwards. Yeah, I definitely own the black and blue colorway of these. It's basically the exact same. Instead of white, you have black. I sold them. I don't know if I sold them. I might still have them, I might not. These aren't going to be worth a whole lot. They retail for a lot of money in Canada. I think these retail for around $220, maybe even $230 Canadian. Like, they retail for a lot of money, but they don't sell for that much. I guess maybe I could get 100, 120 would be pushing it. We'll say 100 just to be safe. So that puts us at $480. I mean, we're still doing good. I actually really like this pair of shoes. I know most people are not a fan of this. It's really crazy. It's out there. It looks like it should be some sort of Y3 design. I like these. I think they did a good job on them. I don't know too much about the original feet you wear technology. It's like an early 2000s basketball technology that they updated with Boost. Probably sell it for 100. So $480. We're on track to making our money back, and I cannot complain with that. Boost you wear, what are these? Boost you wear level 1s. crazy boost you wear level 1s from Adidas. Not quite as good as the Yeezys, but I mean, I'm still gonna take these. This is a lot better than the last mystery box we did. All right, let's dip in here and get the Nike bottle. That was close. Okay. I do not want to get myself too excited because I don't know what colorway this is. But if you guys watch my videos, I spent half of a week hunting around New York sneaker stores looking for this model. And if this is the colorway I've been looking for, it's in a size 12. This is meant to be. This is freaking meant to be. This is meant to be. Woo! Okay. I don't know what to say. I'm so freaking happy. Yes. I don't know. What's the colorway on these? Black, cool gray, blue chill. I don't know if there's a nickname for these. This is the freaking best colorway that came out. These just came out like last weekend, right? These very, very recently. So he's on track with the new releases with these. A little bit more so than the Boost you wears. I mean, the Yeezys are new. These are sort of new. These are brand new. These cost $215. So after tax, they're $244. They're definitely not going for under retail, but they're not reselling for a bunch. So $244 after tax. I'd say you could probably sell these, I'm gonna say $280. Maybe that's too high, maybe that's too low. I'm honestly not sure. I think you could probably sell these for $280 though. A little bit of a profit over retail. So this is $280, this is $100, this is $380 if I'm doing my math correctly. That's $760. So we need $190 more, plus maybe a little bit on top extra because I might have to pay shipping to sell some of these guys. These are beautiful. In the pictures, this bright infrared looked a lot darker. Like this is pink. It's essentially pink. I don't even know why I'm calling it red. This is like hot pink there and hot pink there, and this blue, oh my, this is a wonderful pair of shoes. I almost don't want, I might not sell these. But I also really want to make the money back from the box because I think that's like the whole fun challenge of this. I really want to keep these though. Good chance I end up keeping these. Might also sell them. What an amazing looking pair of shoes. Like I'm actually blown away by how much I like these in person. These look so freaking nice. Shoes that we have. I'm seeing something I like inside of here. Oh, the box is falling apart. Oh, wow. Well, I can see what they are already. The box sort of popped open and the other shoe is laying in here. We got freaking bread toe Jordan 1. Okay, so these are laced up. We got bread toe Jordan 1s. These are laced up. But I mean, they look like really good. So maybe these were worn once. They don't look that dirty. They've definitely been like laced up. There's still the Nike Air on the bottom. The laces got ripped off. My pair has been beat up considerably. This is nice having a fresh pair. See, I want to keep these ones too. I already own these though. This is my problem. I own these. I've worn them 5 or 6 times. They're still in completely wearable condition, and now I want to keep this pair too. Oh, I didn't check to see if it's a size 12. Is it a size? It's a size 12. Okay, so I could keep these if I want to. I really don't want to keep these. I do, but I can't. I shouldn't. They look like really, I wonder if this guy even wore them outside. It looks like he laced them up wherever he got these from and just decided to sell them. So the retail is $244 on these. These definitely go for way over retail. I can't sell them as dead stock, unfortunately, because they're laced up. I feel like I can at least sell these for $300. Like, I feel like I can definitely sell these for $300, which puts me at $1,060. I'm making $110 profit on this box if I'm doing my math correctly. This is the best thing ever. This is like freaking Christmas. If you guys are into just having a bit of fun and have some extra cash laying around, order a freaking mystery box. This is amazing. I understand why people do these on YouTube so much. This is so much fun. This is an amazing pair. I honestly, you guys know how much I like Jordan 1s. I honestly like these a little bit more than I like the bread toes. I just got the Celtics. I just got the court purples, which is like the exact same color blocking, except I mean purple's a cooler color than red if you ask me. Not as classic, not as classic. but probably a cooler color than red. And these are just so out there and so unique. I haven't seen anything like these ever. 300, 280, 100, and 380. That's $1,060, right? I'm doing the math correct, I think. That's $1,060. I paid $950 on the nose, on the penny, no more, no less. $950. I've 100% made my money back. Even if I'm overestimating some of these prices, I'm at least making $1,000, maybe $980 worst case scenario. I can definitely sell these for a profit. I'm very pleased with this. I'm definitely buying from this guy again. This was awesome. Who makes these mystery boxes too? Like, I get there's some sneaker companies that do it, but like these random guys on eBay, like who does this? I'm really curious, like who sits around and has time to make these mystery boxes? Where do you get the shoes from? Does anyone that's not a YouTuber buy them as well? That's also something I'm very curious about. Does anyone that is not a YouTuber actually buy mystery boxes? That's everything for today though, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I've enjoyed opening these immensely. I'm very excited. I really want to keep these two pairs. I'm gonna force myself to sell them though, because the whole point of this is to see if we can make our money back. As always, I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these if it's something you guys wanna see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.